everyone! In this video I will show an example of Bresenham's circle drawing algorithm. So I hope you will understand everything. Let's get started. First of all, let's review the formulas, which I explained the derivation of those formulas in my previous video, so you can check it out. Our example, let's plot a circle with radius equals 8 by using Bresenham's circle drawing algorithm. Let's start with an algorithm. So as you see in the formula, the initial values of x and y coordinates are respectively 0 and r. Now it's time to find an initial decision parameter, which you see in the formula. D0 equals 3 minus 2r. R equals 8, as you see in our example, which is also an initial point of y coordinate. So initial decision parameter equals 3 minus 16, and it equals minus 13. The result is minus 13, which is less than 0. Now let's check the conditions. As you see in the formulas, if decision parameter is less than 0, the next coordinate of x will increase by 1, but the next coordinate of y will not change. In this case, x1 equals 1 and y1 equals y0, which is 8. Now we will continue with an algorithm in order to calculate the next decision parameter. So according to the previous condition, we will choose the first formula, because in the previous value, the value of decision parameter was less than 0. So this is our formula, and we will calculate it. As a result, next decision parameter equals minus 3, which is also less than 0. So the result will be again the same. X coordinate will increase by 1, y coordinate will not change. x2 equals 2, y2 equals 8. Let's continue to calculate the second decision parameter. The formula will be the same because the previous value of decision parameter was also less than 0. So d2 equals d1 plus 4x2 plus 6, which equals minus 3 plus 4 times 2 plus 6. And that equals 11. As you see here, the value of decision parameter is 11, which is more than 0. Let's check our conditions again. What happens when the value of decision parameter is more than 0? In this case, x coordinate will increase by 1 again, but the value of y coordinate will decrease by 1. Now let's calculate the third decision parameter. As you see here, the condition changed, so the formula also changed. We will use the second formula. d3 equals d2 plus 4 times x3 minus y3 plus 10, which equals 11 plus 4 times 3 minus 7, which are the values of x3 and y3, plus 10, and that equals 5. Here again, the value of decision parameter is more than 0. So the next coordinate of x will increase by 1 again, and y coordinate will decrease by 1. x4 equals 4, y4 equals 6. We have to continue the algorithm until we reach the point where the value of x coordinate is more than or equal the value of y coordinate. So let's calculate the fourth decision parameter. So we will use again the same formula as previous, because the value of previous decision parameter was more than 0. So we are using the second formula again. As a result, we will get the value of 7 here, which is also more than 0. So the next coordinate of x will increase by 1 again, and the next coordinate of y will decrease by 1. Here we have to stop the algorithm because the value of x and y are equal. We stop the algorithm here because we don't need to calculate the further values. The circle consists of 8 octaves and 4 quarters, which are symmetrical. So if we know the value of 1 octave, it means that we can find the rest of 7 octaves as well. Now let's write down the coordinates of first quarter. So these are the values of first octave, which we found by using Bresenham's circle drawing algorithm. So second octave will be the same, just we will change the value of x and y, which will be 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 2, 8, 1, and 8, 0. In the second quarter, the value of x will be the same. The value of y will be the negative. It means 0 minus 8, 1 minus 8, 2 minus 8, 3 minus 7, 4 minus 6, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 4, 7 minus 3, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 1, and 8, 0. In the third quarter, the values of x and y coordinates will be negative. So the values are 0 minus 8, minus 1 minus 8, minus 2 minus 8, minus 3 minus 7, minus 4 minus 6, minus 5 minus 5, minus 6 minus 4, minus 7 minus 3, minus 8 minus 2, minus 8 minus 1, minus 8, 0. In the fourth quarter, only the value of x will be negative and y will be positive. So 0, 8, minus 1, 8, minus 2, 8, minus 3, 7, minus 4, 6, minus 5, 5, minus 6, 4, minus 7, 3, minus 8, 2, minus 8, 1, minus 8, 0. In order to help you guys to visualize it better, I just draw computer screen on the paper. So those are the points that we just found by using Bresenham circle drawing algorithm. Of course, we just found the points of the first octave, then we used the symmetrical property of circle and found the rest of the coordinates. And that's how basically this algorithm works. It just finds first those points and then just compounds it, and that's it. At the end, it will draw this circle. And yes, the circle will never be perfect, but just those pixels are extremely small. When we look at the screen, we will see the perfect circle as this one. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and good luck.